This is very obviously a graph question, and hopefully we've seen enough of these that we know that these are supposed to be free points. These are ones that we really want to get right, especially this early in this test. It's a number 2, it's supposed to be really easy. So the only thing that we're really going to have to worry about is if we misread the question or misunderstand the story. But generally you can take things step by step, you can use the answer choices to kind of go backwards, but follow instructions, do what they say. So when I look at this, one piece of the instructions that really helps me out right away is they do say that the Y is the cost of the, a text messaging plan. And so that tells me that I can look at the Y-axis, I can look what the line is doing and understand how the cost is changing. And if you think about what the story says, it's a flat fee of $5 per month for up to 100 text messages sent, plus 25 cents per each additional text message sent that month. So, it makes sense that the bill goes up, right? As you text more, you pay more. That's just logical in the real world, and that's what the story is saying. So that tells me that choices B and D are wrong. Why would the cost go down at any point? Why would it go down to 0? That makes no sense. So those graphs just don't even match with what our expectations would be based on the real world. So now we have a choice between A and C, and even though A is really weird, hopefully its weirdness is what draws us to it because it has this flat portion here. And the story tells us that there is a portion where there's a flat rate, right? So it's $5 per month for the first 100 text messages, which means that the cost doesn't change. If you send 99 text messages, that's the same cost as if you had sent 9 text messages, right? It's a flat fee, so it's going to have a slope of 0, just a horizontal line. But then for the 101st text message, you're going to start paying 25 cents per message. So that's why it goes up like this, because now all bets are off. Every time you send a message, your cost is increasing. So A includes both pieces of this, the flat fee and the changing amount that kind of comes after this. Choice C does not. It does not include the flat fee, so that's weird because it's supposed to be in the story. We're given this instruction. We need to follow it. So with these graph questions, don't be surprised if we end up dealing with graphs that look strange to us, that don't match the kinds of graphs we're normally seeing. But that's because the stories are capturing unique things and they have unique pictures that are going to come from them. So just follow the instructions and you should have no problem with a question like this.